So recently my air conditioner stopped working in my Mazda 6. So I tried a couple things. I tried swapping the relay. I couldn't get the relay out, so I couldn't do that. I noticed that my compressor wasn't engaging. You usually hear a clicking sound when it turns on, but just hot air coming out of the vents. So my friend at work, Dale, he said, well, maybe take a paper clip, short the contacts. So I pull out the relay with the car's engine off just for safety. And yeah, I can hear it click when I short the terminals. So I go to Pep Boys. I'm thinking maybe it's low on refrigerant. So I buy a 20-ounce can for about 45 bucks of this AC Pro here. It's got a gauge built into it. So it's kind of hard to mess it up. So I hook it up. Once I hit about 15 pounds, the compressor turned on. And so I just started adding refrigerant slowly. Went up to about 15 and 20, 25, 30 where it's green. And so the air coming out of the vents now is about 47. And even that was with 85 degrees outside, so it seems to be working okay. The only thing that concerned me was there was some oil that leaked on the ground. I could tell because it had some of the dye in it, but we'll see how long this lasts. It seems like it's hitting about maybe 75 pounds when the engine's turned off, but when it's running it's about 30, 35, so I think it's good. So we'll see how this works. Overall it seems like a pretty good deal.